Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Gildo Glass Dildo number 3. So let's get started. So this is the Gildo Glass Dildo number 3 itself. As you can see, this is a very unique dildo and it's not your standard dildo. This special dildo is a unique eye catcher between the sheets. The toy is made of transparent glass and has blue and red dots for a unique look. The shaft is bent for great G-spot or prostate stimulation, which means it can be used by him and her, and it has a tapered tip and a flat base as well. The red and blue details provide the dildo with a napped surface for extra sensations during use. The glass is strong and heavy and it's also safe to use with both silicone and water-based lubricants. You can also enjoy temperature play as it is glass, so you can place this in warm water to enjoy warmer sensations or pop it in cold water for cooler sensations. As mentioned, we would only recommend to use a water-based lubricant, or you can also use a silicone-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Make sure to clean the dildo after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. Also included is a Gildo luxury toy bag to pop your Gildo number 3 dildo in. This helps to keep it discreet and dust free. And that is the Gildo Glass Dildo number 3. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.